Magnetic mysteries beyond the edge. The first shock came from Voyager's magnetometer readings after crossing the heliopause. Scientists expected some differences, but the interstellar magnetic field showed a dramatic misalignment compared to our sun's magnetic influence. This wasn't a gradual transition, it was a sharp boundary suggesting something far more significant than anyone had anticipated. The readings point to Voyager 1 entering a magnetic turbulence zone where galactic magnetic fields twist and reconnect in ways that could, honestly, reshape our understanding of galactic structure. These aren't small ripples in space, they're fundamental forces operating on scales larger than our entire solar system. The magnetic field orientations Voyager measures might even channel cosmic material into denser regions, potentially influencing where new stars form in our region of the galaxy. Each measurement reveals that interstellar space has its own magnetic weather patterns, invisible highways of force that guide particles across vast cosmic distances. The spacecraft continues to detect these magnetic anomalies, proving that the space between stars is far more structured and dynamic than anyone predicted.